You know what time it is. Yippers. Alright, get a pack of these. And a string. That'll work. Yeah, I think it's gonna be enough. Ooh-wee, 500 feet. Yeah, I'm gonna go with it. Alright, we got our Stay Green and our Black Cow. Bye-bye. All right. Been spent enough for 2 weeks. Time to go home. Create some content for y'all. Ooh. Come on here. This is gonna be fun. All right. As you can see, heavy rainfall. Let's see what I can get done. I am so glad you are joining me here on this journey at Nailed It Projects. You guys just saw the screen recording. It rained pretty much from midnight last night until an hour and a half ago, maybe an hour ago. And now it's saying more is expected. I have a lot planned for this video. As you can see by the title, planting trees, running irrigation lines. I don't know if I'll get the irrigation lines done. I'm gonna try my best, but it is what it is. Came back from a great Memorial weekend to this in my garage. And thanks so much to Bev for bringing this back. It already has fruits on it. This must go in the ground today. So what I'm gonna do is deal with the holes first, get them prepped. It rained last night, there's water in them. They're not gonna say that word, but there's water in them. And deal with irrigation lines and trellises after that. Can't believe the price they got this going for. Love it. But anyway, let me get this truck in the backyard and get to work. I tilled this bed the other night. Today's Thursday, so Tuesday night I tilled this bed up, and that's where I'm just gonna drop cantaloupe galore and put some fencing material on here. And if you're wondering, yes, these are pool I don't know what you call it, poles. We used to hold the sides of the pool up. Change the plans on the pool, I'm going a different route, so I figured I'd just use these instead of buying all the stuff. They'll work. And I have these holes prepped for the trees I'm putting in. I need to dig 4 more, and I have them somewhat in a straight line, if you can tell, and that's to keep the irrigation going in a straight line also. Oh, let me unload the truck, get some manure and other Stay Green dirt in these, and get to planting before we see more rain. All right, now that part's done, I can plant the cantaloupe. Hopefully I can do it in the next 20 minutes. What I'm gonna do now is remove the boxes from the holes and take some dirt out of them so I can add the Black Cow manure and Stay Green into it, mix it up, and probably leave it. It's supposed to rain again. Let the rain do its thing, and then come out and plant them before it gets dark tonight. Somewhere along the lines. We might not get the irrigation done today. But thankful for the time I'm having to get this done. Let me go and get these holes prepped. Now, this black murky water I just drained from the goat manure, which I know is going to be potent for planting. Yeah, I'm saving that. Okra is ready. I need to get these transplanted as soon as I get some dirt in these boxes. I went away for the weekend and didn't do anything. I'm glad I took a little time off. Wonderful. Now I'm playing catch up. Main reason is these here cantaloupe. They got to go in the ground. They are killing my spinach and lettuce. So they got to go. I might have to plant a new batch. So, yeah, they're going in the ground today. You can see my lettuce is trying to come up in here, and the cantaloupe is just killing them. All right, let's get to digging and filling. Whew, taking some strength. I'm glad I tilled them first and then dig them out. 5 down, 3 to go. All the holes are done. Just need to fill them. I'm gonna go ahead and prep that 3rd hole with manure and dirt so I can get this in the ground. It's been out of the ground and in that bag since Monday. No, Tuesday actually. Put it in the bag Tuesday. Today's Thursday. I need to get it back in some dirt. I'm gonna go grab that water that came off of the goat manure and use that. Make sure that blueberry tree survives, because I think it's a thornless, which is great. And here comes the rain again, just like it promised. Just like it promised. At least in the ground. Going to work like I intended before I took off running. Almost there. Without having another person to help me, this is life. Beautiful blueberries falling off. I'm gonna pick them up, wash them, enjoy them. Now for that wonderful water. Well, here is blueberry. I don't know what transpired. The leaves look a little different. It must be the wind. Hopefully catches root. All the other holes have the manure and stay green in them. And I'm about to mince this up. Throw the cantaloupe in there. Put the trellis up. Then I head over that way. Do the same thing with the beds. There will not be any irrigation this day. Yes, no irrigation done today. I'm just going to focus on putting the plants in the ground. We have about 3 days of rain ahead of us. So I'm trying to beat that. Get it, whatever transplanting can be done. And once I get over there, I'll show you guys watermelon. Left for the weekend, came back. It's pretty. Cantaloupe is in the ground. I got sometimes 3, sometimes 5 bunched together. That's how much were in this planter. And as you can see, very few, if any, of the lettuce are doing anything. Spinach got all bunched up in one corner. I'm gonna have to restart those, but that's what cantaloupe is left. I'm just gonna put them in pots and give them to somebody. Put them on Facebook. Somebody come get them. I'm gonna run the trellis on this so I don't have to come back and deal with that. Then I go deal with the other side. All right, trellis is done for the cantaloupe, so that won't be an afterthought. And I already built one trellis for the string bean bed. Took it over. Gonna take these over now. I'm just gonna leave the truck here. Walk over there, do what I can, just in case the rain decides to play tricks again. Because I went inside and fell asleep. Not gonna lie to you guys. Now it's humid as crap. Let me get over here and we can get back to work. Bed. Okra can get planted today. Look. See, it's still dry. I went to Lowe's and forgot to get the stakes. I'm just going to use the old stakes I have. Put this one in place. If I can get some more. See if these will work. Yes, sir. That will work. Nice. I'm gonna put these in and give you guys a close-up view. I'm gonna do this. Check the spacing on them. I don't know if these will too. Look at that. Too much. Okay. Cantaloupe needs to be watered. It's gonna rain again tonight. This tamarind, it's struggling real bad. Soursop, soursop, soursop. And we have sugar apple, papaya, avocado, blueberry, moringa, coconut. So evidently I need to dig 4 more holes, which I plan to dig anyway. Probably this weekend. It's gonna be a long video, guys. Long video. So I promise you guys an orchard and irrigation in this video. What you're gonna end up with is a half planted orchard and half run irrigation lines. We'll see. Realizing that I have 5 plants to put in still, and I have cherry and an orange and an apple coming. So that's 8. I had to go back and dig 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, which means I still have another hole to dig. So I got to do 3 more in the back. This is getting bigger than I planned. But hey, such is life. As they say in John Wick, such is life. Hey, where these 2 bottles come from? Huh? Please put them in the trash. Now, I am going to get ready to do this trench for the irrigation hose.